Miro Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Miro, a collaborative online whiteboard tool designed for teams and individuals to brainstorm, plan, and work together visually. Links to the product are in the description below. Miro is made for businesses, educators, remote teams, and anyone who needs a flexible and interactive workspace to collaborate in real time. Miro's key feature is its vast array of templates for various use cases, such as brainstorming, mind mapping, agile workflows, and more. These templates make it easy to jump into a project without starting from scratch. The drag and drop interface is intuitive, allowing you to quickly add sticky notes, images, documents, and shapes to the board. The whiteboard can be customized with different frames to organize your ideas and keep the workspace clutter-free. For real-time collaboration, Miro allows multiple users to work on the same board simultaneously, with features like live cursors, comments, and video chat built directly into the platform. This makes it a great tool for remote teams who need to stay connected and collaborate efficiently. You can also integrate Miro with other tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Drive to enhance your workflow. Miro's flexibility extends to its board sizes. Whether you need a small space for quick brainstorming or a large board to plan an entire project, Miro can accommodate both. The platform also supports offline work, so you can continue collaborating even when an internet connection is unavailable. Miro is ideal for creative teams, project managers, and educators looking for an intuitive, cloud-based solution to facilitate collaboration. Whether you're working on product development, team planning, or teaching a class, Miro offers the tools to make your work more efficient and visually engaging. In conclusion, Miro is a powerful and user-friendly platform for collaborative work. With its wide range of templates, real-time collaboration features, and integration options, it's a great choice for teams and individuals looking to work smarter. Check the link in the description for more details.